Bosch windscreen wipers by Nissan Qashqai. If they've got the right ones, let's get them fitted. These should just pop right off, just like that. It was a bit too easy, that, wasn't it? Yeah, not too bad, but when it does that, just the horribleness on the screen. Again, just a firm push down and up and off. Probably want to keep them up, to be fair. Scratch your windscreen. Again, not massively bad, but they do need replaced. Start off with opening this little one first there. Beautiful. Look at that. Normally you get like universal ones with different adapters. These little babies are going to slide straight on. That bit at the bottom, on, up till it clicks, and that's it. Same again, line it up, chunky bit at the bottom, fold it on, push it up, that's it. Easy as that. Now we just have to hope no one comes along and pinches them. Time for a test wipe. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful.